Hey, did you know most people never actually become rich, no matter how hard they work? I mean, they grind, they hustle, they chase promotions, and yet years go by and nothing really changes. That's because they're following the wrong formula. Today, I'm going to share the simple formula to real wealth, the kind that lasts. And this isn't about luck, gambling, or winning the lottery. If you stick with me, in the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to start building wealth step by step with strategies you can start applying today. Before we dive in, let me tell you why I know this works. I've studied the habits of millionaires, read the best books on wealth, and applied their strategies in my own life. One book in particular changed my perspective completely. The Algebra of Wealth by Scott Galloway. The ideas I'm about to share are distilled from that book, tested and proven in real life. These aren't theories. These are practical, actionable steps that anyone can take. Let's start with the first step. Focus on your talents, not your passion. You've probably heard 1,000 times to follow your passion, right? But here's the truth. Passion doesn't pay the bills. Talents do. Think about it. What are you really good at? What skill can you offer that people will pay for? Master a skill that's valuable in the market, and suddenly opportunities open up. Once you have that, you can leverage it to create multiple income streams. Focus is your foundation. Without it, everything else collapses. Step 2 is about controlling your spending. This is where most people fail. We live in a world designed to make us spend constantly. Social media, ads, flashy lifestyle trends, they're all trying to tempt you. Stoicism teaches us self-control, courage, wisdom, justice, and self-control. Apply these to your finances. Every dollar you save becomes a seed for your financial freedom. And it's not deprivation, it's an investment in your future. Start small, track your expenses, cut one thing you don't need. That habit alone can snowball into real wealth. Step 3, time is your secret weapon. Start early. Even if it's just a small amount, the earlier you invest, the more powerful compound interest becomes. Think of it like planting a tree. A tiny seed today becomes a massive oak over the years. The small, consistent investments you make now will grow into something extraordinary over time. Don't wait for the perfect moment. That moment is today. Step 4 is diversification. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different investments. Stocks, real estate, bonds, maybe even digital assets. Diversification helps your money grow while protecting you from big losses. Wealth isn't about chasing one big win. It's about steady, consistent growth over years, even decades. Step 5, discipline and daily habits. Wealth isn't an accident. It's the result of consistent, intelligent habits. Track your expenses, review your investments, read and learn every day, and avoid lifestyle inflation. Every choice you make either moves you closer to financial freedom or further from it. Awareness and consistency compound just like money. Now let me warn you about the common traps. Many people chase short-term trends, flashy investments, or get-rich-quick schemes. They ignore the fundamentals: skill development, saving, smart investing, and time. Wealth isn't flashy. It's consistent, patient, disciplined, and calculated. Think of your money like a snowball. The more you nurture it, the bigger it grows. Ignore it, and it melts away. Here's the challenge I want you to take. Start today. Pick one talent to master. Save more than you spend. Invest consistently. Apply discipline. Let time and compound interest do the rest. Wealth isn't a secret. It's a formula. And now you know it. Your financial future is in your hands. Start today, not tomorrow. Remember, focus on your talents. Control your spending. Use time wisely. Diversify intelligently. Build daily habits. Follow this formula, and in a few years, you'll look back and thank yourself. You don't need a high-paying job, luck, or connections. You just need the right mindset, the right habits, and the discipline to follow through. That's all it takes. Wealth isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter, being patient, and staying consistent. So start small, start today, and let the power of focus, discipline, and time transform your life. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve when you consistently apply these simple principles. Remember this, your financial future is a reflection of the choices you make today. Master your skills, control your habits, invest wisely, and let time do its magic. You've got everything you need to start building wealth right now. No excuses, no waiting, just action,